Hi Sec 2's Miss Alina here. I'll be sharing with you regarding the various sciences that you may offer when you go on to Sec 3. We have 6091 Physics, 6092 Pure Chemistry, and 6093 Pure Biology. We also offer combined sciences, Physics, Chemistry, or just one science, Chemistry, Biology. It will be a combination of these two. So the structure of the O-level pure physics, pure chem, or pure bio papers looks like this. 1 hour of MCQ worth 40 marks, 1 hour 45 minutes of paper 2 structured questions, 80 marks, and 1 hour 15 minutes of practical worth 40 marks. So the weightage is also given here. If you're taking combined sciences, be it physics, chemistry, or chem bio, there'll be 1 hour MCQ paper, 1 hour 15 minutes of a structured question paper, be it in physics, chemistry, or biology, and your practical paper worth 30 marks will be 1 hour and 30 minutes long. So these are the topics you have covered in Sec 1 and Sec 2 from Chapter 1 all the way to Chapter 19. The topics in green are the chemistry-based ones. So exploring diversity of matter by its chemical composition, using separation techniques, model of matter, particulate nature of matter, atoms and molecules, and chemical changes. These are all chemistry topics. These are the physics topics in blue, exploring diversity of matter by their physical properties, light, electrical systems, forces, energy and work done, sound, and heat. These topics in red are the biology topics, understanding diversity of living things, cells, transport system in living things, human digestive system, human sexual reproductive system, and interactions within ecosystems. So you may have noticed, chemistry or science chemistry is a compulsory science. It aims to provide, through well-designed studies of experimental and practical chemistry, a worthwhile educational experience for all students. It also aims to develop abilities, skills, and attitudes in science and stimulate interest in and care for the local and global environment. If you notice, right, chemistry topics, there's also quite a bit of overlap with physics and biology topics, so you can say that chemistry is quite a versatile science. So these are the Sec 3 topics in chemistry that you will learn: kinetic particle theory, experimental techniques, separation and purification, elements, compounds and mixtures, atomic structure, ionic bonding, chemical bonding, writing chemical and ionic equations, and they were all briefly covered in Sec 1 and 2. The Sec 4 topics that you will learn will be mole calculations, chemical calculations, acids and bases, salts, oxidation and reduction, metals, organic chemistry, and air. Okay, so in Sec 3, the assessment tasks that you'll be involved in will be experimental design, practicals, research. You will also have your end of year exams. So now we come to physics or science physics. They are separated by themes. So in mechanics, you will cover measurements, kinematics, mass, weight, and density, forces, turning effects of forces, pressure, energy, and power. In waves, you cover sound and light, or general waves as well. In thermal physics, this is all to do with heat, so transfer of thermal energy, thermal properties of matter, kinetic model of matter. We also have electricity and magnetism. We have your current electricity or DC circuits, practical electricity, static electricity, electromagnetism, and EMI. So physics aims to analyze and explain theories using physics knowledge, of course, and to be suitably prepared for studies beyond the O-levels in physics and in applied sciences, as well as in science-related courses that you intend to pursue in future. So in lower sec, this is an example of a question you would have attempted before, where there's conversion of energy from point A to point D. In upper sec, it's a little more complex, but still manageable. So just to give you an idea of the type of questions you'll be attempting in upper sec. Yet another example, in lower sec, you deal with circuits that look like this. When you come up to upper sec, the circuit looks like this. Okay, so if you enjoy dealing with circuits and all the calculations, then do select physics. In Sec 3, you will also do the following assessment tasks: concept maths, video analysis, practicals, as well as application tests. You also have your end of year exams. who is suitable to offer physics or science physics? If you have an interest in the physics topics in LSS, an interest in numbers and algebra in mathematics in general, or if you're interested in the following career options. Of course, you're not limited. Do read up or do more research on your own to find out what's out there. I mean, jobs are always constantly being created and there's always changes in the job landscape. So do find out from your seniors, talk to your parents, talk to your relatives, talk to your seniors, and see what appeals to you, what your passion is in. So now I move on to biology or science biology. These are the set 3 topics. In principles of biology, you have cell structure and organization, molecular genetics, movement of substances and enzymes. In maintenance and regulation of life processes, we have nutrients, nutrition in humans, transport in humans, nutrition in plants, transport in plants, respiration, and excretion. In maintenance and regulation of life processes, we have homeostasis, the nervous system, the human eye, hormones, continuity of life and man and his environment. We have reproduction in plants, reproduction in humans, cell division, heredity, and ecology. Okay, these are just some examples of questions you'll be attempting when you come up to upper sec, when you do biology or science biology. Okay, so you can see these are all the various parts of the human, inside the human system. This is the various parts of the eye. And you must be prepared to study about plant systems basically. And be prepared to answer long essay questions like this. Still manageable as well, but just take note that you must have an interest in reading, in understanding, in recall, in memorizing. Okay, so the CA that you'll be doing will be case-based studies. They will be related to real-life scenarios. For instance, let's say someone has a real-life medical problem, then how do you address it? Okay, so you'll be involved in doing practicals also. You'll be doing misconceptions in terms of identifying them and explaining them. You will also have end of year exams, just like all the other sciences. So who is suitable? Students who show a genuine interest in how living things work, those who are interested in reading, writing, understanding, and memorizing concepts, and students who are interested in the following career options. But of course, again, this is not exhaustive. Do look up certain career options. Maybe they're not listed here. They might be related to biology. They may require you to take biology. Okay, so if you have any more questions, feel free to email us. I'm Miss Alina. This is my email address. You may also approach Miss Chew. This is her email address. She's the subject head for chemistry. We also have Miss Neo, who's the subject head for physics. Okay, yeah, so all the best, and we hope to see you in upper sec, flourishing in whichever science you have chosen or opted for. That's it. Thank you.